Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So is your webcam blurry, lagging, freezing or showing poor video quality on your Windows 11 laptop? In this video, let's fix these webcam issues step by step. The first thing you can do is clean the webcam lens. For this, you can use a microfiber cloth to clean the webcam lens. This is your first step. In the next step, we are going to adjust camera settings. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings. On the left side, click on this option Bluetooth and devices, click on it. After that, on the right side, scroll down, then click on this option cameras, click on it. This is my laptop built-in camera, click on it. From here, you can adjust the camera settings and check the camera preview. And you can also reset default camera settings. So click on this option reset settings. So this will reset default camera settings. After that, click on this option advanced camera options. Click on edit. And here you will see this option allow multiple apps to use camera at the same time. Make sure this option is off. Windows 11 has an option that may allow multiple apps to use the camera at the same time. So make sure this option is disabled. Now move on to the next step. If the camera app itself is freezing or not working, in that case, you have to open settings again. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings. On the left side, click on apps. After that, on the right side, click on this option installed apps, click on it. Now here you have to search for camera app. After that, click on these three dots, then click on this option advanced options, click on it. Now scroll down and then click on this option terminate. Now first we are going to repair this camera app. So click on this option repair. But if you are still facing the same issue with your camera app, in that case, you can use this reset option. So click on this option reset. That's it. Cut this window and check your camera app. In the next step, we are going to check camera privacy settings. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings. On the left side, click on this option privacy and security, click on it. After that, on the right side, scroll down, then click on this option camera. Now here, make sure this option is on, okay? Make sure camera access is on, and also make sure this option is also on, let apps access your camera. And also enable this option, let desktop apps access your camera. Windows 11 includes privacy settings that control which application can access your webcam. So I can manually enable or disable webcam access for a particular application from here. Now move on to the next step. Now we are going to update webcam driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager, click on it. Now here you will see this option cameras, click on it, then expand this option. So this is my laptop built-in camera. Right click on it, then click on update driver, click on it, then click on search automatically, click on it. So this will update your webcam driver, click on close. After that, restart your laptop and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, right click on your built-in laptop camera, then click on this option uninstall device. Click on uninstall. After that, restart your laptop and Windows will automatically reinstall the webcam driver. In the next step, we are going to check for Windows update. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on Windows update. After that, on the right side, click on this option check for updates. So update your operating system. So these are the steps you can apply to fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.